All right, so this is my 2015 GMC Denali, and as you can see, our screen is black. Right? It lights up. The backup camera works, but there's no audio. So we need to take these screws out here, 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 here. Well, I believe his was a 15 or a T10. Mine was a 15. So I think somebody's been in here before because one is missing. So I'm gonna take these out and let's see. So I got the cover off. While we're in here, I should change your cabin air filter. I bet that thing is. It needs to be. This is so. If you got a 2015, I think in GMC Denali, you can change your cabin air filter right here. Ooh, that's what it is. So they say this blue connector is what it is, and it does look. All these look a little loose. So you never know. Restarting it, unplug it, plug it back in, see what happens. So right here, this is it. Unplug it, plug it in. You gotta press in on top and pull it out. All right, that's it. So well, let's plug it back in and see if it works. All right, so press the button. Just press the button. Nope, don't let that work, folks. All right, so I tried the trick underneath the dash. I did unplug that. It didn't work. So what I did was I unplugged my battery and let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes. I just took the negative cable off. So I just came over here, 10 millimeter socket. Take that off. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. You can take the hot one off, but your alarm's probably gonna go off. You take that one off. So take the negative one off, and so I took it off, put it back on, and now so let's see. Look at that. I guess it just needed to be reset. Now she works. Cool. Easy money. Now she's working. Now let's go over to see if my XM still working. ESPN radio, baby. We're back. Alright. Easy money. I ain't gotta get on the radio. Now I need to put this back in too. I actually know I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna change the cabin air filter later. So that'll do it. So if you have a 2015 or 2014 Silverado or GMC, any pickup truck from GM, they got one of these screens, these Intellilink screens. That's what they call for the radio, the navigation system, the entertainment system, and all that. If it goes blank, right, you can try pulling that blue wire from underneath the or from behind the glove box first. If that doesn't work, try the resetting or disconnecting the battery, reset the whole system, just see if that works. So if that don't work, you probably need to go ahead and take it to a shop or take it to a dealer or some sort. So but if you can tackle it yourself, and maybe it's a screen or something, and you can get in there and you want to do that, by all means have at it. But we'll see how long this lasts for me. Hopefully I won't be taking mine anywhere, and this works. This system, this reset, hopefully it works. All right, so if you haven't already, and if you like the video, or if you like any other racing content, consider subscribing to the channel. Please like the video, comment down below if it helped or not, and if it did help, you know other friends, share it with them. So have a good one. We'll catch you next time on Boosted Lucille. Later.